Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, if you watched my last two videos, I'm in better health this week. I'm feeling a million times better and I've got less of that snotty, disgusting voice. And yes, so I thought I would do a new tutorial today. I thought I would do something a little bit different for me. This is more like a natural look. This is like my everyday look, but to like other people this is more like going out look. So this is like a soft glam. If you are less into like heavy makeup, then this would be perfect for you for like a night out or like an event or like a wedding makeup. So yeah, that's what I thought I would film, just because I just want to show that I can do toned down makeup as well and doesn't always have to be over the top and dramatic. And I just put it with a red lip because it's an easy way to make makeup look, you know, more like dramatic, is just by adding a darker lip. So yeah, and I'm always doing nudes, so I thought why not. Yeah, so if this looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please give this video a like, please leave me a comment and do subscribe, and please also turn on that notification bell, because for some reason I've realised that YouTube are unsubscribing people for no reason, and I've heard that all the algorithms are all like stupid, but like I'm really like seeing it these past few weeks. So if you don't want to miss any of my videos and if you do enjoy them, please click that bell button and it will just make sure that you don't miss out. So yeah, that was a big long speech, but anyway, let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, so to start off today's tutorial, I'm just going to take this NYX Brow Gel and I'm just going to use this to fill in my brows. I'm just going to take it darker towards the tail of my brow and then lighten it up and lighten up the pressure as I get towards the front of my brow near my nose. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at good. I'm then going to take MAC's Prolongwear concealer as usual, and I'm going to use this as a base for the rest of my eyeshadows. This just makes sure your eyeshadows stay on all day and just gives it like a base to like blend on properly. I don't like going on like fresh skin, shall we say, so this is always a step I do no matter what type of makeup I'm doing. Thinking I'm heartless, I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my... I'm then going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just going to take the shade Burnt Orange, and on a fluffy brush I'm just going to start working that into my crease. I'm not going to take it too far. I'm not going to take it too far into the inner corner. I'm just going to keep it on the outer bit, just to add some warmth to this look once it's finished, but I'm not going to go too heavy-handed with it. And then I'm going to take the shade Warm Taupe and just start working this into the outer half of my lid and my crease. I'm not going to be too precise with it, just want it to look nice and blended, but again I'm just going to do it in circular motions, but I'm not going to be super precise because this is going to be like a soft smoky glam. I'm then going to go in with Cypress Umber, and I'm going to do the same sort of thing, just with a lighter hand. I don't want this to get too dark of a look, so I am just taking it with a really light hand. Again, in the same sort of place, just to deepen it up, and I'm also not going to take it as high as I took the last shade.
Are we fading lovers? We keep wasting colors. Maybe we should let this go. We've fallen apart, still we hold together. We've passed the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know.
I'm then quickly just going to run some concealer into that first part of the lid. Obviously we didn't put much colour here, so this isn't a necessary step. I just like to do it just because it's what I'm used to, but you definitely don't have to do this step. And also I'm just going to set it down with some powder like I always do. And then I'm going to go back into the ABH palette and take the shade Primavera. This is a nice gold champagne-y kind of colour. I have wet my brush before I put it into my palette just to get like the best kind of look. And I'm just going to apply it to the first half of my lid.
That's the end, so we chase forever. Guess this is all we know. This feeling's all we know.
I'm then going to take the Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid liner and just draw quite a thin line. Again, I'm not being too dramatic, so I'm not going to do too much of a wing. I have like the tiniest bit of a wing, but I don't know if I would class that as a wing. It's more like a round off kind of thing. But yeah, I'm going to take this as thin as I can. Obviously, it's up to you how you want it. You just do you and do how you like your eyeliners. And then I'm just going to take some mascara and apply a few coats to my top lashes. You can obviously leave it with just mascara if that's what you're used to, but I obviously love my lashes, so I can't not apply my lashes.
There's no truth in these dreams I chase. Outside, I still see your face.
So I just took the Doll Beauty lashes. This is just like a 4-pack that I just got from Topshop. And I'm just going to take these ones. These are like quite separated, and I just think they look a lot more natural when they're like separated like that, because obviously eyelashes are a bit more scattered and not super fluffy and gorgeous like we wish they were. So yeah, I'm just going to glue these down. And then I just took a little bit of the BALM Mary luminizer and just used this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Warm Taupe and just run this just along that lower lash line and buffing it out. And I'm also going to take Cypress Umber and do the same thing. This isn't very exciting what I'm doing to the lower lash line, but I'm just keeping it natural and glam without going over the top and with too many steps.
I still see your face.
And then I'm just going to take the NYX Wonder pencil. This is like a nude pencil, and I'm going to run this on my waterline. It just opens your eyes, especially if you've got narrower eyes. These type of things are like great. And it just makes it a little bit less dramatic than using black or brown. Then I just took the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amsterdam and just applied this to my lips, because I just thought if you're ever going to glam up a look, always add dark red lipstick, because that is the way to make something turn from daytime to nighttime. So yes, that is the finished look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all very, very soon. So this is the finished look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give this video a like, leave me a comment, and do subscribe. And I will see you all very, very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.